Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a WhatsApp ban due to spam. First, let's understand why this issue happens. WhatsApp may ban your account if you do not follow their community guidelines. It's important to read and follow WhatsApp's terms and conditions to avoid getting banned. Open any browser on your phone and search for WhatsApp support in the search bar. Now click on the first result that says Contact WhatsApp. After the web page is loaded, tap on Contact Us under WhatsApp Messenger support. In the new window, you will need to provide some details. Enter your mobile number, your email address, and choose your platform. Briefly explain the problem and why you believe your account was banned by mistake. Click on Next Step and then Send Question. Once you submit your request, you should receive a response from WhatsApp within 24 hours. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. For more tech videos, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.